Dear friends, I'm going to discuss in this video that is leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the one of the most important functions of management. Leading involves directing, influencing, or motivating employees to perform. We want to see the definition. According to Peter Drucker, leadership is the shifting of own vision to higher heights, the rising of man's performance to higher standards, the building of man's personality beyond its normal limitations. This is given by Peter Drucker. Who is leader? It is a general question. One that leads or guides, one who is in charge or in command of others, one who heads a political party or organization, one who has influence or power, especially of a political nature. Characters of leadership: empathy, consistency, honesty, direction, communication, needs support from all, assume obligation. Difference between master or leader. Manager oversees the current process well. Leader wants to create the future. Manager must achieve balance. Leader needs to make change. Manager thinks execution. Leader thinks ideal. Manager comfortable with control. Leader welcomes risk. Manager problems are just that and need resolution ASAP. Leader welcomes risk and see problems as opportunities is partner. Manager procedure is king. Leader substance thumbs the king. Manager instruct us to technique and process, whereas leader, your best college professor. Manager impersonal, remote, whereas leader high emotional intelligence. Importance of leadership: initiates action, motivation, provide guidance, creating confidence, coordination, effective planning, inspiration and motivation. The leader always initiates action and he motivates his colleagues as well as the workers under him. He always provides guidance how to achieve the goal, and he is always creating confidence. He is a positive personality, and he always coordinates with his colleagues as well as with his workers. And before execution, he planned very well, effective planning. He inspires others and motivating others. That is the importance of leadership. Then role of a leader. A leader's role is always to ensure his or her team achieves the task in hand, but an effective leader will also ensure they meet more subtle requirement. Strong focus, integrity, good engagement with others, looking at the bigger picture, resourcefulness, organizational cloth effective communication. Managerial leadership influences the organization in the following ways. Leading affects morale. Leading is key to effective communication. Leading effectively contribute more to the bottom line. Thank you very much.